Hi everyone, karibu sana. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make this simple and beautiful and delicious plantain. In Swahili, we call it ndizi za nazi. Stay tuned please, watch till the end. The ingredients I'm using: 2 plantain, a cup of coconut milk, but you can use a coconut cream, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using a clean and ripe plantain, but you can use the green plantain. As you can see guys, I'm cutting into pieces and then I'll divide into 2, but you can cut according to the sizes you want. I'm now cutting off the middle part just to remove the seeds from the plantain. And now I'm just peeling off the plantains. I'm lining up the banana peels onto the pan. This is to prevent it from sticking and getting burnt. I'm gently placing them on top of the banana peels, and the banana peels also add some aroma. I'm using the coconut milk directly, but if you want, you can boil the plantain first using water. On top, I'm adding cardamom powder and sugar, but you can use the crushed cardamom. With this recipe, there is no specific measurement of the ingredients, but sugar is optional. Cover and start cooking on a medium heat until it starts boiling. The plantains are now ready and the sauce looks thick. Let it cool and the sauce will be more thicker. You can serve it hot or let it cool, serve it warm or cold. For more recipe videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. I'm Alice Situma. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.